Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Brett Winton from ARK Invest thinks that Tesla will unveil their $25,000 car at the Investors Day in 3 days, in only 3 days. Tesla Giga Berlin plans to offer factory tours. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crushed the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. If you want to show more appreciation, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Now, let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price on 24th of February, it was down 2.57%. Year to date is up 82%. Past year is down 32%. Past 5 years is up 781%. Winton thinks Tesla will unveil their $25,000 car, Robotaxi, at the Investors Day on 1st of March this year, so in 3 days. He gets a little into detail that they will unveil the car as they did with Cybertruck, and after 2 years of engineering and tooling the factories, they will produce this car. Let's hear him out.
So that's actually interesting. So initially, because y'all have a very strong bull thesis on self-driving auto taxi, I think your Tesla projections almost exclusively in your bull case give most of your weight to the taxis.
It's like two-thirds of the value of Tesla from 5 years. 5 years from now is, in our view, driven by robotaxi, versus a one-third to electric vehicles. And but I suspect the product they'll release will be this is an inexpensive vehicle platform to manufacture that's optimized for adaptation to robotaxi, but also we can sell it into people who are the kind of like median car buyer, not just the average car buyer in the US, which is a lower price point.
So that would be the $25,000-ish car plus maybe some inflation since then.
Right. And yeah, I don't know what the price point would be, but think about, half the cost to produce of the Model 3. And so if the average Model 3 is selling for 50, yeah, maybe 25 or 30.
And why do you think they would announce that now?
Why? Because I think that they are gearing up to manufacture it, because they are...
Even before Cyber and Semi?
Well, no, I think they'll announce that they're doing it, they'll reveal, just like they did with the Cybertruck, they'll reveal what it looks like, and then they'll go through kind of engineering for manufacture, and so that'll take a year or two.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, so all in on Tesla except when Jerome Powell gets angry, huh?
So, you could have ordered Cybertruck from the day of the unveiling. So that means that you can order the smaller Tesla car in 3 days, in just 3 days. What? If they start selling it right now, they will beat any record sales from any of their model till now. I mean, number of reservations. The cheapest model Tesla revealed till now was Model 3 and had 180,000 reservations in 24 hours. I think they will have minimum 2 times reservations for the $25,000 model in the day of the revealing. What do you think? But I don't think right now is the right time to announce this car, because Tesla can cannibalize their other models' sales. Think of it like this. 2023 will be the year, hopefully, Model Y will be the best-selling car in the world. If I would be Elon, I would not jeopardize that in any way. I personally would reveal the $25,000 model maybe in the second half of 2023, when Tesla starts production and delivery of Cybertruck. I would be surprised if they reveal it in a couple of days. I am waiting for them to reveal something about the energy side of their business and an update on Optimus humanoid robot. Tesla Giga Berlin plans to offer factory tours. Tesla Giga Berlin is looking for a content and programs associate. Among other things, the main activity of the person in this position will be to conduct tours of the factory, which indicates an interesting expansion of the company's interactions with the public. Tesla Giga Berlin plans to offer factory tours according to a job description that recently appeared on the manufacturer's website. This role will primarily focus on factory tours, interact with various stakeholders within and outside the company, and assist the work of the content and programs team on site in Berlin. The content and programs associate will be at the forefront of enabling engaging and informative factory tour experiences at Giga Factory Berlin Brandenburg. This includes, but is not limited to, leading tours, presenting compelling content to a broad audience, planning and executing events, and interacting with various stakeholders, both public and internal. This is a hands-on position that encompasses all aspects of a people-facing role with a particular affinity for storytelling and presentation. Interesting. If this is the case, the next second this will happen, all car manufacturers would take these tours to understand why Tesla is so ahead of them and to copy these processes and knowledge. And something funny from Eva Fox on Twitter: Tesla's competitors are waiting for the presentation of the Gen 3 platform at the company's Investor Day. Funny and true. I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.